Hi everyone, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am opening my Joann order. So Joann carried the Teresa Collins Happy Box and it was actually on a very good discount. So I ended up getting one through Joann's instead of the Happy Planner. Initially when Teresa Collins box came out, they were completely sold out, so I didn't get it, and then I was waiting until it goes on sale, and finally I found it at Joann's. So I can't wait to share with you guys what I got. So the Happy Planner box seems to come exactly the same as it did from the Happy Planner. So you have this nice beautiful packaging which everybody was saving, and I'm saving it too. I'm going to be doing some projects with it and I can't wait to show you. I think I'm going to change one of my white covers with this. So you get a pencil pouch. I'm actually going to take this off my desk so I can show you what I got. And then you get the beautiful envelope, as well as a sticker book, a notepad, filler sheets, washi tape, big sticker, and a guided journal. And then of course you get the mug. It just comes in a separate box and it takes a minute for it to be opened. So you get that big sticker, the 3 washes. I'm gonna just quickly open and show you guys what they look like. So this one looks like that. This one is floral. And then this one says I am enough. And they are really beautiful. The filler paper, I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So the front has hours and then the back is lined. The notepad, however, I'm gonna open. So it's just a notepad with different days, and then the sticker book, envelope so you can put stuff inside. Those they're like puffy buttons, they're beautiful. But I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with those yet. And then I'm going to quickly flip through the book for you guys. Actually absolutely gorgeous, and it has so many boxes and checklists. It is a beautiful perfection, and especially I have the Modern Peach classic size Happy Planner, and I think these will work great with that planner because it's almost like it was made for it. It's the same color as the planner and everything, and it's just gorgeous. I can't get over how simple but pretty it is. I'm a huge fan of like beautiful simplicity just like this. Oh, and look at those checklists at the end. They're beautiful. I haven't seen checklists like that before. And then you get a mug. I'm just gonna remove the wrapping. And it says, this is a reminder that you can handle whatever this week throws at you. And it's so nice to have a mug like that. Okay. And I'm gonna open up this guided journal to show you guys what that's like. And every week you have prompts. So I don't think I'll be doing it this year. I will probably save it for next year, because this year I actually have already quite a bit of planners, but I'll be saving it for 2021. Or I might do this later on in a year. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Just gonna put everything that came with it together so you guys can see. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. That was very quick just to show you what's in the box. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!